In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on live photos on FaceTime for your Apple devices and iPhone, ensuring that you never miss capturing those special moments during your video calls. Whether you're using an iPhone, iPad, or another Apple device, this feature allows you to take live photos during FaceTime calls by capturing a bit of motion and sound, creating a more dynamic and immersive snapshot of your conversations. To get started, you'll first want to locate the FaceTime settings on your device. This is quite simple. Just head to the Settings app on your iPhone or any other Apple device you're using. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and look for the section labelled Apps. Within this list, find FaceTime. Tapping on FaceTime will take you to its specific settings, which lays the groundwork for enabling live photos. Once you're in the FaceTime settings, you'll need to find the option labelled FaceTime Live Photos. This is an essential step because it directly controls the ability to capture those vibrant live action shots during your calls. Navigating through your FaceTime settings should reveal this option, which is typically presented as a straightforward toggle switch. Now, the core of this setup process involves toggling this switch to the on position. By doing so, you're permitting your device to take live photos during FaceTime calls. It's important to ensure this switch is turned on because if it's off, you won't be able to capture those live moments. Remember, live photos don't just capture a static image, but also add a few seconds of movement and sound. When you have successfully turned on the live photos feature in FaceTime settings, the next step is to know how to use it during a call. While you're actively on a FaceTime call, you'll notice a shutter button on your screen. This is the key to snapping live photos. But here's an important note. To take a live photo during the call, both you and the person you're talking to must have this feature enabled. Ensuring both ends are prepared makes the operation seamless and prevents any glitches. For a harmonious experience, both users must have their devices set up to allow live photos. This means the person you're calling should also follow the same steps on their device. Once you have confirmed that everything is good to go, you can tap the shutter button at any moment during your call to capture those vivid memories. By keeping these steps in mind, you'll be able to use live photos during FaceTime calls effortlessly. Whether it's a family gathering, a catch up with friends, or any memorable conversation, you can now cherish those moments with moving photos. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy capturing those live action memories.